Hello there, my name is Jane. I'm coming from RecPro, and I'm here to tell you about one of our white water tanks. If you'd like to look it up on our website, the SKU number is RP-428002. It's a 21-gallon tank, and it's 25 by 20 by 10.5. It's made by Alpha, who is one of the top manufacturers of water tanks. This is a black tank. There is what is called a vent hole on this. It looks like it could be a hole that you could use, but you can't. So we do sell the fittings kit for the tanks that comes with everything to customize your tank. And these are custom tanks, so they do take 3 to 4 weeks to order. And just remember that these are non-refundable and non-returnable. So if you like what you see, you can click out the link below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget, when you're rolling down the road, we'll roll with RecPro. Thank you.